Welcome to the VS Criminal Defense Attorneys podcast, providing an informative resource on criminal law with a specific focus on sex crimes. From protecting yourself from false accusations to understanding the exact boundaries of the law, being informed is always the best first line of defense. This podcast series is reviewed and approved by attorney Michelle Villanueva-Scura.
In this episode, we want to cover everything you need to know about legal defense for sex crimes allegations in Chandler, Arizona, and how our experienced and committed attorneys can help you in this difficult situation. Being accused of any type of sex crime can be an immensely challenging and distressing experience, and it's crucial that you don't navigate through it on your own. At our esteemed Chandler-based law firm, VS Criminal Defense Attorneys boasts a team of seasoned and dedicated defense lawyers with expertise in handling sex crime cases. Our dedicated team provides personalized attention, and we understand the complexities of each case to deliver the best possible defense near you. Our Chandler law firm offers unparalleled legal representation for individuals facing charges of sexual misconduct and indecent exposure. With a deep understanding of the law and a commitment to our clients, we strive to protect your rights and reputation throughout the legal process. Above all, we wish to emphasize the range of services we offer to the residents of Chandler. When facing accusations of sex crimes, choosing a legal team with expertise and commitment to your defense is crucial. Our firm offers unwavering support and aggressive representation for clients accused of various sex crimes, ensuring your rights are protected while striving for the best possible outcome. Among the many services we provide, we include legal defense for the following charges. Sexual abuse. We offer steadfast legal defense against sexual abuse allegations, prioritizing the protection of your rights and striving to preserve your reputation amidst serious accusations. Molestation of a child. Our firm provides expert legal representation to rigorously contest and respond to child molestation charges, focusing on disproving allegations and upholding your innocence. Prostitution. Receive strategic legal support aimed at effectively navigating and challenging prostitution charges, with a focus on achieving the most favorable outcome for your case. Sexual assault. Benefit from our aggressive defense strategies designed to confront and question the validity of sexual assault allegations, ensuring your side is heard and defended. Molestation. Rely on our specialized legal advocacy to meticulously defend against molestation charges, utilizing in-depth knowledge and strategic approaches to safeguard your freedom and reputation. Solicitation. We deliver a thorough defense against solicitation accusations, employing strategic approaches to challenge the charges and strive for the most advantageous outcomes in your favor. Sexual misconduct. Our team offers adept representation to tackle sexual misconduct allegations, applying a detailed and proactive defense strategy to address and counter the claims against you. Rape. We provide a rigorous defense aimed at refuting rape charges, focusing on evidence and legal nuances to uphold your innocence and protect your rights throughout the legal process. Violent sexual assault. Benefit from our assertive legal tactics designed to confront and counteract violent sexual assault accusations, ensuring a robust defense in these critically serious cases. Statutory rape. Engage our meticulous defense services that scrutinize every detail to challenge and dismantle statutory rape allegations, ensuring your rights are vigorously defended. Indecent exposure. Utilize our effective defense strategies designed to robustly contest indecent exposure charges, prioritizing your liberty and aiming to safeguard your reputation. Possession of child pornography. Access our vigorous defense aimed at aggressively countering charges of child pornography possession, focusing on exonerating you through meticulous legal advocacy. Sexual exploitation of children. Depend on our specialized legal representation to staunchly defend against allegations of child sexual exploitation, employing a comprehensive approach to protect your rights. Luring a minor. Receive our complete legal support to confront accusations of luring or sexually exploiting a minor, ensuring a thorough and determined defense in these critical matters. Pre-charge and pre-indictment. Benefit from our proactive defense strategies that come into play during the crucial pre-charge stage, aiming to mitigate potential charges and influence the early trajectory of your case. And dangerous crimes against children. Rely on our focused legal expertise, specifically tailored to navigate and robustly defend against grave accusations of committing dangerous crimes against children, ensuring a comprehensive legal defense. You might be wondering, Are there statutes of limitations for serious sex crimes charges? Yes, there are statutes of limitations for serious sex crime charges, which vary depending on the jurisdiction and the specific nature of the crime. In many places, including Arizona, the statute of limitations for serious sex crimes, especially those involving minors, can be extended or, in some cases, may not apply, allowing prosecutors to charge individuals many years after the alleged crime occurred. For example, Arizona has specific laws regarding the time frame within which a perpetrator can be charged for crimes involving sexual abuse against children, often allowing for extended periods due to the recognition of how long it may take for such crimes to come to light. However, the specific limitations can vary, so it's crucial to consult legal expertise or specific state statutes for precise information. We are also frequently asked, what constitutes aggravating factors in a sexual assault charge? Aggravating factors in a sexual assault charge are specific elements that, when present, can intensify the gravity of the offense and result in more severe sentencing. The use of a weapon during the assault, for instance, significantly heightens the crime's seriousness. Additionally, if the assault results in physical injuries to the victim, this too is considered an aggravating circumstance. The victim's age plays a crucial role, particularly if the victim is a minor, which can lead to harsher penalties. The relationship between the perpetrator and the victim is also pivotal. Assaults where the perpetrator is in a position of trust or authority over the victim, such as in cases involving family members or caretakers, are viewed more severely. Prior convictions, especially for related offenses, can lead to increased penalties, as can the involvement of multiple perpetrators or the use of drugs or alcohol to facilitate the assault. Lastly, threats or coercion used during the assault to intimidate the victim can elevate the severity of the charges, reflecting the law's stance on protecting the vulnerable and ensuring justice is served. Next, it's important to know what methods Arizona prosecutors utilize to establish rape or sexual abuse. Arizona prosecutors employ a variety of methods to establish cases of rape or sexual abuse. They gather and present evidence such as victim testimony, eyewitness accounts, and forensic evidence, including DNA samples and medical reports. They may also use expert witness testimony to explain the evidence's relevance and impact. Additionally, prosecutors analyze communication records like texts and emails between the accused and the victim, and scrutinize the behavior and statements of the accused before and after the alleged crime. It's a comprehensive approach aimed at constructing a compelling case to demonstrate that the alleged sexual conduct occurred without consent and meets the legal definition of rape or sexual abuse. In that sense, is sexual intercourse a prerequisite for facing rape charges? Unfortunately, the answer is no. Sexual intercourse is not a prerequisite for facing rape charges. The legal definition of rape has evolved over time and varies by jurisdiction, but it generally encompasses any non-consensual sexual act, not limited to traditional definitions of intercourse. This broader interpretation includes any form of sexual penetration or contact without consent, achieved through force, coercion, or in situations where the victim is unable to give consent due to factors like age, mental incapacity, or intoxication. The expansion of this definition serves to acknowledge and address the various forms of sexual violence, emphasizing the importance of consent in all sexual encounters. Moving forward, can a spouse or partner accuse you of sexual assault? The answer is yes. A spouse or partner can accuse you of sexual assault. In the eyes of the law, marital or relationship status does not provide immunity against such charges. Consent is a critical component of any sexual interaction, and it must be given freely and willingly by all parties involved, regardless of their relationship status. If consent is not given, or if it's obtained through coercion, force, or when the person is unable to give consent, due to intoxication or unconsciousness, for example, it can lead to sexual assault charges. This legal standpoint reinforces the principle that everyone has the right to control their own body and sexual interactions, irrespective of the nature of their relationship with the other person. Lastly, under what circumstances is registration as a sex offender mandatory? Registration as a sex offender is mandatory under certain circumstances, which vary by jurisdiction but generally follow common guidelines. Typically, individuals convicted of sex crimes involving minors, rape, sexual assault, possession or distribution of child pornography, and certain acts of public indecency or sexual exploitation are required to register. The requirement aims to aid law enforcement in monitoring and tracking individuals who have committed these offenses and to inform the community. The length and specifics of registration can depend on the severity of the offense. with more serious crimes leading to longer or even lifetime registration. Failure to register as a sex offender when required can result in significant legal penalties, further emphasizing the system's role in public safety and offender accountability. Keep in mind that sex crime convictions in Arizona carry significant consequences. It's essential to seek trustworthy legal representation at the earliest stage possible if you're facing any allegations. Attorney Michelle Skura is dedicated to defending the accused in Chandler, providing expert legal representation against serious sex crimes charges with a commitment to justice and integrity. Our firm conducts meticulous investigations and evidence examinations to challenge sex crime accusations, ensuring every angle is explored for a robust defense strategy in Chandler. Leverage the expertise of our skilled legal team, proven in Chandler courts, specializing in sex crime defense to safeguard your rights and achieve the best possible outcome. Receive thorough legal counseling from our seasoned attorneys, who excel in crafting solid case strategies for sex crime defense, ensuring a well-prepared representation in Chandler. Benefit from our results-driven, pre-charge representation in Chandler, where our proactive approach in sex offense cases aims to mitigate charges and impact even before formal proceedings begin. If you or someone you know are in need of legal assistance for sex crime allegations, don't hesitate to reach out to VS Criminal Defense Attorneys. We encourage you to contact us today for a free and confidential consultation to start building a strong defense. Call us at 480-923-9001 or visit us online at vsattorney.com.
Thank you for listening to the VS Criminal Defense Attorneys podcast. VS Criminal Defense Attorneys are focused on offering clients personalized service and aggressive representation. Our attorneys are passionate about individual rights, government accountability, and personal freedom. No matter what you are charged with, our criminal defense attorneys will be there to guide you. Call today to schedule your strategy session. It is time to fight back.